I'm Ainsley with the Coding Clubhouse here with.
Joe Maffey, Vuforia PTC.
So what does Vuforia do?
So Vuforia is the top augmented reality solution for creating augmented reality experiences.
What is Vuforia Chalk?
So out of Vuforia, we have PTC, which is a company out of Massachusetts, and we have 3 distinct AR products, and one being Vuforia Engine, the SDK that powers AR and creates ARs for developers. One being Vuforia Chalk, which annotates real-time video of different augmented reality annotations while you're doing peer-to-peer interaction. So remote collaboration would be a big use case. And the third is our content management system, Vuforia Studio. So within these 3 products, you have Vuforia Chalk, and Chalk would allow you to do peer-to-peer interaction with peer-to-peer, you and your family, consumer-wise. So what we're really tailoring Chalk for is the industrial manufacturing use case of remote collaboration, and that's pretty much it.
What would one of the specific uses for Vuforia Chalk be?
So a specific use case would be, say I'm a Tier 1 help desk support agent, and you're a Tier 2 help desk support agent, and you know more than I do, and I'm getting trained up. So you would real-time video Skype with me in a way, and then you'd be able to add augmented reality annotations, and that would play on my screen real time, so I could troubleshoot what you're telling me to do as a help desk Tier 1.
How has Vuforia and its goals changed over time?
So initially we were focusing on consumer space and the consumer market and bringing augmented reality to the hands of everybody. We've narrowed our focus, since there's so many augmented reality use cases out there, to go into more of a manufacturing industrial space, which would support use cases more along the lines of support, services. Support, services, training, so more internal use cases.
Do you have any advice for young coders?
Advice for young coders. The platform of Vuforia is free to download and play with. So if you're a Unity developer or you like to create cool things in Unity, the gaming platform, we're partnered with Unity. So you can plug Vuforia into that augmented reality application and create AR-powered apps with Unity.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, just continue to fight the good fight, and continue to keep developing. And I encourage young coders to get out there and develop with Vuforia.
That's all for me. I'll see you next time.